In this video, I am going to show you how to restore Snapchat memory. You may be having issues signing in or making a new Snapchat account for a few reasons or a few different reasons. When this occurs, you ought to get an error message that describes what went wrong and how you might attempt to fix it. Some reasons might be the following: due to persistent failed login attempts or other suspicious activities. Access to Snapchat has been restricted. Also, your account has been locked and there was no record of email or mobile number that you registered to Snapchat. Now, I'm going to show you some of the methods on how to restore Snapchat memory. So, the first thing to do is to log in to your Snapchat account and then go to your settings, scroll down, and tap My Data. Now, all you have to do here is to log in again using your username or your email. And then after that, log in also your password. So after doing this, they will send you a confirmation code or verification code. So you have to type or enter the code here. Once done, you need to click next. So once you click next, you can now see this page. You have to scroll down and then kindly find the submit request, but you have to confirm your email address first. So in this way, you can request a copy of your file, including your memories and your photos, saved to your Snapchat. Just wait for the customer service team to respond to your request. Once you receive the message or the email, you have to log into your laptop or computer. Okay, you have to type the email address here, click next, and type your password. And then once done, you can go to your profile and kindly search for account settings and then go to my data. So the file will appear here once the customer service team respond to request, and all you have to do is to download the file and probably you can get the saved memories or files on your Snapchat. And then last is go to your profile again, scroll down, and then tap memories. As you can see here, we have save button memories. Always make sure that this one is turned on. I mean, the memories and camera roll is checked. And then when you go back, always make sure also that auto save my story snaps is also on. So click this one, auto save to memories. So after this, you can exit the Snapchat application and then go to your file manager or file folder to know or to see if the memories or the files are saved on your file manager. As easy as that. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.